guys, welcome to another video. Alright guys, so for today's makeup look, I did this green eyeshadow that is perfect for dark skin. This look was actually inspired by Beats by Deb. So I went on her Instagram page and I was just searching through her feed, and then I saw this look. I was like, had to recreate it. She called it Buttercup all grown up, but Buttercup not all grown up alone. She's spicy, she's hot, she's saucy. Guys, I love how this look came out. I think this may be my best look yet, or this is one of the top ones. Everything just came out great. My brows, killing them. Lashes, as always, killing them. The blend, the makeup, the like I really am talented, you know. Like when we do them look, your mother look on it and say, you know, I'm looking you. Let me stop. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned till the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, comment down below and let me know what you think about this look, and hit that bell down below so you guys can be updated when I post a new video. Alright guys, so starting off, I did my brows off camera and I primed my lids. I'm gonna start out with this first shade, this green from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Mark you, this video is gonna go by pretty fast, so bear with me. I didn't want to make it too long. Alright, so next I'm going to use this lighter green shade, and I'm going to just basically use that as a kind of brow bone color, just to have a nice transition into the green. After which I'm following up with this darker green in my crease area. I think I mixed it with a little black just to deepen the crease area so that you could see a little dark shade under the cut crease. Alright, next I'm basically wiping off the shadow off my lid, getting ready to cut my crease. Actually bought this brush the other day, guys. It's actually a Klean color flat concealer brush. So yeah, it actually did the job really well. I'm gonna use it a few more times before I tell you guys if this is it for me, but it actually did the job pretty good. Alright, so next I'm going to mix that darker green with the black as I did before, and I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my eye to just darken it up a bit. Now I'm starting off with just a kind of white shade to be the first shade on my lid. Follow up with a green, the transition green that I used, that will be in the middle. Alright, right here you're gonna see where I changed brushes, and that's because this brush was too large and I wanted it to get super close to the cut crease, so I'm using a smaller brush. After which, guys, I'm basically going to blend both colors, both the green and the white, because I didn't want such a harsh line. So I'm blending, as you can see right here, I'm blending the green and the white together. I actually dabbed it in a little bit of the yellowish green just so the transition would be seamless. Alrighty, so right here I'm using my black eyeliner, and I'm just outlining my lid. I'm not even doing a wing or anything like that. I'm just outlining my lid right here. Next, I'm gonna follow up with this silver glitter liner, and I'm going to outline the top of my cut crease. Alright, right here you can see where I'm using a little bit of clear glue to get on the silver glitter eyeliner that I used. To me, this step wasn't all that necessary because I'm actually going to apply silver glitter to it, because I thought the glitter was a little bit too subtle and I wanted more of an intense silver cut crease. But if you wish, you could just use the silver glitter eyeliner and you'll be fine. Right here now, I'm actually using my white eyeshadow primer, and I'm putting that on my lower lid, and I'm going to follow up with the green that I use as my transition shade. Alright, so I'm using my brown pencil and I'm using it to line my lids, my lips rather. Guys, I lost the clip of me actually adding the pink matte lipstick, but just know I added a pink matte lipstick after I applied the lip liner. Then I'm gonna get my glow on, so just highlighting my face in all the necessary areas. My nose highlight was popping with the low light video. My nose highlight was everything, and you guys are gonna see that in a second. Low light for my nose highlight. Whoa, look at that. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, as I mentioned before, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for the support, and we are close to 200 subs. Super excited. Can't wait until I reach there. Thank you guys for the support.